Hey guys, Christine here from Hot Off the Heels. Yes, it's a talking one. So I'm gonna do something really different from yesterday, but more of my go-to look. So my go-to everyday look is very fresh, very light, very simple, very on the natural side, with a lot of feminine and blushy, pinky, glowy kind of accents. So I've already prepped my face with SPF and my day cream and a little bit of eye cream, so I am ready to go. I'm not going to do a primer today, only because I want a more fresher, glowy look rather than night out, very matte glam look, okay? So I'm going to speed up the video just now, so let me tell you the 3 things I'm going to use really quick.
Maybe 4. I've already wet my beauty blender. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. concealer. This is the FitMe, the Maybelline FitMe, but I put it in a pump bottle that I had like some oil in before, and it really helps for me to control how much product I use so that I don't over pour. And another thing I'm also going to be using is my Becca under eye correcting cream. So let's go, guys.
Okay, now that I got all of that blended, yay, I am gonna go in with some setting powder. Now, today I'm gonna use the Tarte translucent powder. Okay, setting underneath, just a little bit. And guys, if you want that very glowy, smooth highlight finish, I suggest always putting setting powder in that area. It smooths the area more, and it leaves a smoother surface for the highlighter, and therefore it has more of a glowy, smooth surface. Wow, I said the word smooth about 20 times already.
You guys know already I'm not much for baking. I'll do it every once in a while, but my setting powder purpose is mainly for stopping the creasing under my eyes and around my mouth, and for the shine in my T-zone. And by the afternoon, I'll put it all over my face because I'll be oily all over just to touch up. But initially, just in the T-zone and under the eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna go in lightly with some, can you tell I like this bronzer? Some e.l.f. Sunkissed Bronzer. Time to renew that. Okay. Now this is a much lighter bronzer. Very, very subtle. I'm gonna go in with a darker one. I just kind of want to prep with this one first. So the darker one will just be for a small area under my cheeks. This is more for color all over my face. Just a little bit here, along the hairline, up to the center. I don't like to go too much into the forehead. Okay. And a little bit under the chin and the jaw. And a little bit on the nose, because I like to look like I got a little bit of sun, even though I'm failing at it lately. Brush a little bit on top of the eyes also, that doesn't hurt. With my Tarte, just to get a little more definition right there. Okay. For highlighter, I am going to go in with my Amrezy. So I've already put a lot of color and bronziness to my face, so this is just going to give me now some of that glow. Now this highlighter can be very natural, but it's super blendable, and all depends on what brush you use. So if I use this one, I'm going to keep it light. If I go in with something bigger and or rougher and bigger, I'm going to get a lot more product onto my face. I'm going to look lit up from the highlighter. But I like to use this small brush because it's always blendable. Highlight points on top of the cheekbones, the nose, with the finger. If you're heading out, you want a little bit of shoulder cap glow. That's difficult to do with the same hand.
I'm going to my usual waterline.
Okay. And I'm going to brush on a little bit of my Benefit Roller Lash. I know the sequence in which I'm doing everything kind of seems all over the place, but at the end of the day, there aren't rules written in stone, because I just realized I didn't do my brows yet. But if it suits you to do your brows first before everything else, Then do your brows first before everything else. For me, I can even do it after my lipstick. It doesn't really matter because I don't use much setting spray. So obviously you want to do everything before setting spray. But, and I also realized I'm going to do my lids just now as well. And I put on mascara, but it's okay. Okay. So yeah, go with the flow and go by your own flow. Don't worry about anything else. So I'm going to do some DipBrow. Let's see. So, got some sun on the face with bronzer, some highlighter for a glow, the mascara, brows. But today I'm just going to keep it really fresh and easy. I'm going to use some Stila on my eyelid, Magnificent Metals. Now, other alternatives are the ColourPop Supernova shadows. They come in different shades. They're a cream eyeshadow that dry up. Okay. I went over my mascara just a little bit, so I'm going to touch that up. And my lipstick, of course, Dose of Colors. I know I'm obsessed, but as far as matte lipsticks go, this formula is amazing. Okay, so what you can do now after the lipstick, after it's dried, if you want more of a fresh, glowy look, you can put some gloss over it. Clear gloss, color gloss, whatever. Play with it, have fun with it. I always say play with your makeup because it's fun. This is my very go-to fresh, simple, full face, and it's a really great summer and day look. Thanks for watching, guys.